Hey there everyone, this is Michelle Sued. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Northern Virginia, and today we have Tips, Tricks, and Techniques Tuesday. Now with the new catalog that just came out, it's the perfect time to get things organized and make sure things are labeled so they're easy for you to use and they're easily accessible. So I got the 5 new in color ink pads for this new year, and I've already started labeling them. And for those of you who are new to Stampin' Up! Ink pads, I thought we'd go through a couple of things to help you with getting yours organized. All right, so they come wrapped in plastic. So we're just going to take and open up that plastic and take that off. There we go. And you'll notice on the back of each of the stamp pads, there are these stickers, and they are in 4 different languages, and then there's a plain one down here at the bottom. So what I like to do is just bring in my take your pick tool. You can use whatever you have, and get under the edge of that to pick it up and peel it off. And then I turn my ink pad so that the part that's going to open the lid, where the lid opens here, I'm going to place my label right here underneath that, and it's perfect on there. Got it? All right, and then we're going to take this little guy down here at the bottom that doesn't have anything written on it, just the color, and we're going to open up our ink pad, and you'll see at the bottom here there's a little tray that's empty, so we're going to place our blank sticker in there. And this is just really helpful for when you're stamping and you have your ink pads, several ink pads open on your table, and you'll be able to tell which ink pad is which with the color in the lid. All right, so that's how I organized the new in color ink pads. So this next tip I have for you is for your re-inkers. Now the re-inkers fit nicely into our storage system that we have now, and you can find all of those in the storage section of the catalog, which I will reference here. What these have on top of them are just little dots of cardstock, so that when I look down I can tell exactly what colors they are without having to go through and pick each one up before I find the one that I want. So I have just a scrap of the garden green cardstock here. I'm just going to use a regular 1/4 inch punch from the office supply store. Punch out a little circle. Then I'm going to take some, I'm using our Stampin' Up's Crystal Effects. We used to sell this, and it's just a clear, basically a clear glue. You can use whatever you have on hand, but this will dry and it will keep my little cardstock circle right there on the top, so I can know exactly what's in this little bottle. I'll take my take your pick tool, the little putty on the end, pick that circle up, and just place it right here on top. Give it a little press and let it dry. And there it is, ready to go with the green family in my organizational little trays. I hope that's helpful. Okie doke, I hope you've enjoyed these 2 tips for you today to help you get organized with this brand new catalog. If you would still like to get a copy of the catalog, I would love to send one to you. If you don't have a demonstrator already, I would love to be your demonstrator. So you can comment below and I will get one in the mail to you ASAP. Remember, you can shop for any of the things that are in the new catalog at my online store at suitablystamped.stampinup.net. Open 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can always shop in your PJs if you want. All right. Thanks for stopping by. I will see you again next week. Have a magical day.